Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix stretch screen display issue on your Windows. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. We need to make sure first that our graphics card driver is updated. Make a right click on the start button. Select device manager in the list of options. Now here in the device manager window, you need to locate the display adapter. So this is where you can find your graphics card driver. Now what you can do, simply make a right click, select update driver, browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and here you just need to simply choose one by one as to what will work for you. So if you're having an issue with the first one, choose the second one. If you're having an issue with the second one, choose the third one. So just simply choose one by one as to what will work for you. Then you have to click on next, and after that, Windows will successfully update your drivers. And then you just have to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Now for the next method, we have to click on the start button and go to settings. Now if you cannot access settings through the start button, you can directly make a search for settings in the Windows search bar. Click on it. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to select system. Click on display. You'll find scale and layout. Make sure for the scale, you have to choose as to what is recommended. Also for the display resolution, just simply choose what is recommended and then close this window. And for the final method, we also need to make sure that our Windows operating system is updated. So click on the start button and go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click this button right here to make sure that you are up to date to download and install the latest updates on your Windows. Once you're updated, it will state from here you're up to date, and finally make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows, and that issue will be fixed. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.